In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on profile views on TikTok. Okay, as usual in this channel, we don't waste time, we just dive right into the content our viewer is looking for. Open TikTok app. Now, after opening TikTok app, be sure to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, click on your profile icon here at the bottom. Okay, then what you want to do here, kindly check the page that you are in, the profile page now, and click on the 2 feet at the top. This is the third button from the right. Okay, the 2 feet there, click on it, and then you will see a button for turn on. When you turn on this button, you'll be able to turn on your profile views. Let us do it step by step. Click on turn on. Okay, now you can see I've turned on my profile view. Anybody who views my profile will be indicated here, and if you click on the gear icon, you'll be having an option to turn it off or turn it on. Make sure that you leave it at turn on so that you can see the profile view history. Thank you guys for watching. If you found video help in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for subscribing and watching.